I am about to build the worst computer you have ever seen in your entire life. The plan is very simple. I've got this Lenovo motherboard, all this like proprietary nonsense. So we're gonna use my favorite tool and we're gonna nail it to the wall. First, we just gotta test to make sure the hammer works. So here we've got a standard iPhone 14 Pro. We got ourselves some isopropyl alcohol, and we got ourselves some coffee filters. We're just gonna take 2 coffee filters, fold them over a few times, add a little bit of alcohol. Shit. All right, we're gonna add a lot of alcohol. It's all over the floor. So we just gotta wipe off all this thermal paste. Ow, oh shit, I just got it in one of my cuts. Now, it's time to get the slime off the cooler. There is residue all over the rest of the cooler, which I don't care about. Kobe. Fuck. I got thermal paste all over my little fingies. At some point, this got unlatched. I don't know how that happened. So we're just gonna relatch to that, baby. And we just gotta screw in our cooler. This is all proprietary, so it should actually just fit precisely to the motherboard. So, it should actually be easier. Fuck, I forgot to reapply thermal paste. Well, the good news is I actually did screw this down properly because now it's not coming off. Alright, we're gonna do a different thermal paste pattern this time. Beautiful. It looks like we're doing pretty good here. It feels pretty firm. Oh, bro, look how much thermal paste is on my screwdriver. This is supposed to be black. This is our final Micro Center purchase of the day. 512 gig, cost me 34 bucks for half a terabyte. Their cheapest SSDs were literally cheaper than their cheapest HDDs. I went there looking to get an HDD. All right, our M2 drive is secured. We have storage. Now, we gotta plug in the CPU fan, and that's the only fan we're gonna have to plug in. This, oh God. The only RGB headers on this, if I want the RGB, I believe are on this thing, which requires SATA power. They actually have a header labeled CPU fan. Like a CPU fan RGB header. That's some sick, twisted shit. So this is our wall. We've got this in the way. This is a piece of paper signed by Kyle Korver. This is signed by Kyle Korver, and it has a signed Harrison Barnes card in there too. Pretty sick, right? Kyle Korver, thank you for signing my autograph. You're the GOAT. I was like 12. The question is, how big are the holes on the motherboard? Are they bigger or smaller than the nails I have? They're smaller. So realistically, I should probably put the nails in the wall first, since they're smaller. It's really hard to plug in, but it reaches. So we can do it right here. So let me get a pencil to mark all the holes with. Oh shit. They're so small. I just nailed it all the way in with one strike. Alright, let's see if these first 3 nails, I can hang my motherboard on them. I have nailed my motherboard to the wall, and I think it's going to fall off the wall. I can probably just pull this off. Yeah, this is really bad. All right, we need some bigger nails, which luckily I happen to have one sitting right here that was used for whatever was here before, and I've got this one as well. So now we get the middle one. Okay, how the fuck am I gonna do this? I don't have enough hands for this shit. Maybe if I just shove the nail into the wall enough and it doesn't fall, then I can start hammering. That actually worked. That actually worked. I think I hit my motherboard with a hammer. This nail's slanted down. I want it to be slanted up, because otherwise my shit will slide down the wall. All right, this is really janky. This is really screwed up. You can tell this is screwed up. Let's see if it turns on. We've got our power supply here. Oh shit. I have to plug a graphics card into this. First things first, we got this. Let's get some SATA power. This is a proprietary power supply unit, so it's non-modular. All right, should plug in like this. Yep, all right. We've got power to our little RGB controller. So now we can plug this in here. Where do we put this RGB controller? Yeah, we'll just leave it hanging. Who cares? All right, now we gotta add the graphics card. The graphics card is not going to go in. I just realized that. This is up against the wall. There would need to be a hole in the wall for the graphics card to actually go in. Yeah, that's a pretty obvious design flaw. Of course, we can just pull this out of the wall, and by pulling it out of the wall, I've created enough space to insert the GPU. Oh man, I'm a genius. That nail is holding on for dear life. Holy shit. All right, let's plug everything in. I think the PSU wires should be long enough to handle this. All right, the motherboard is plugged in, beautiful. Oh, ew, we've got 3 connectors. Oh, fuck. We got 3 4-pin connectors. I feel like logically that is the CPU power. Shit. Is this blocking my other one from being plugged in? Oh my god. Dude. This proprietary power is... Oh, these ones go together. All right, let's turn this lamp on. That should help give me some lighting for this camera angle. Hopefully that doesn't mess up this angle too much. Fuck. All right, so we got this beautiful thing going. What else do we have to do? We have to plug the GPU in. We got these 4 pins, and we got these 3 pins. And the 2 pin is just hanging out. Even though this is all proprietary, we still have this random extra 2 pins. Is this like a hazard? Probably not. My PSU actually has no switch on it, which is extremely concerning design. So here's the whole build. We got the cable going down here, plugs into the PSU, the fan is coming this way, and then it's sort of hanging off the edge of the table so we can have the cable. This is the RGB controller. These are the wires, very nicely cable managed, and then this is our beautiful wall-mounted PC, no case required. Now I just have to remember which 2 pins to short. Should be easy enough. Which one's the power switch? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Oh, I didn't plug a monitor in. Now we take our wireless keyboard and mouse and we plug it in to our beautiful little USB ports here. So the GPU is on and the CPU fan is spinning and there's no lights on the motherboard, although I don't even know if the motherboard has lights, to be honest with you. But we're not getting any picture. Huh. Well, let's reset it. Short the pins. It's on. We're in our BIOS. All right, we're in the BIOS. This is good. We're of course in the Lenovo BIOS, which is horrible. But it's a BIOS. Oh my god. My mouse is inverted in the BIOS. In the Lenovo BIOS, all right, my mouse is not only inverted, but it doesn't let me go side to side, only up and down. This is the worst BIOS I've ever seen in my life. No operating system found. Oh, god damn it. I put a new drive in. All right, we need to get Windows. We need to get Windows. All right, while it's creating the installation media, quick room tour. Obviously this is the setup. This is Destiny's Bounty. Hype as hell, bro. This guy right here is worth like 70 bucks. He's rare as shit. This is a Donovan McNabb jersey. I have a Donovan McNabb jersey nailed to my wall because it's hilarious. Those are the books that I use as my old monitor stand. And that's the stupidest shaped window of all time. It's ready. Finally. Setup is cleaning before it closes. This may take a few minutes. Oh, it finished immediately. Okay. Ooh. Windows. Oh man. My favorite operating system. Shit. You've lost internet connection. I literally have an Ethernet cable plugged in. I'll install your Ethernet driver. I guess I'll just install it again. How can something go wrong? I don't understand. How can you not install an Ethernet drive? God, Windows is so stupid. And my Ethernet cable is plugged in. Is it really this hard? Let's name your device. Penis. Oh my god, let's connect you to a network. Fuck you. Fuck you. My Ethernet cable is connected. I have pressed your install driver button. You provide me with no other recourse except to do this. I've done it. You've lost internet connection. Let's retry. Let's install the driver. Wait, what? It's actually updating? It literally just told me like 6 times it doesn't have internet connection. Location, fuck you, find my device, diagnostic, turn all this off. I don't want it. My feet fell asleep. How's it even possible? I'm standing. Restore from your backup? No, I don't want to do that. Well, I guess it's gonna do that. Well, it's restoring from the PC that I built to sell. So all it's restoring is like the fact that I have Fortnite. Nothing. Skip. You don't get to know that. Skip. You don't get to know that. Skip. Not now. Fuck you. Decline. Decline. Gotta hit next on that one. Skip. Alright, I've declined enough shit. I have my computer now. Oh my god, I actually have a working computer nailed to my fucking wall. We gotta play some games on this. I'm coming for that ass, Hollow Knight. Oh fuck. I'm so bad on controller. I'm so bad, I'm losing to the Hollow Knight. Oh fuck, I forgot my dash button. That's the dash button. Oh shit! I'm close, I'm close. I'm close, come on Hornet. Fuck, what's my dream now? What's my dream now? What's my dream now? Is it square? It is! Alright, it's triangle, it's triangle, it's triangle. Alright, it's triangle. Alright, now all we have to do is kill Radiance. This should be easy. Stupid flying idiot. I don't know my up attack. That would actually be really convenient to know. I don't know my up spell. Oh, really? Oh